welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Down Bad, aka Deanna Nicole, and today I am going to be doing these custom colored knotless braids. Yes, y'all. So y'all know the color is 613 and 27. Well, I'm gonna put a little twist to it, and I am super duper nervous because I don't know how this is gonna come out. So I'm gonna show y'all the colors I will be blending together, and we're just gonna hope and pray for the best, y'all. So I will be using, of course, the number 27 by Expression, and this is Ultra, the 52 inch. I'm gonna do it kind of long because I just like long braids in general. And then I will be using, of course, that 613, as you can see, you know. And then I don't know what color this red color is. It's super red though, and it's called 130S. And I'm gonna blend it, y'all. I'm like I said, I'm nervous because I don't know how this color is gonna come out. But I'm super excited to see. And so yeah, y'all just stay tuned with me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And we're just gonna get creative, y'all. I love creating different things. Just seeing how they're gonna come out. And yeah, y'all just continue watching this video.
Wino got the recipe.